Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Express for LinkedIn graphics faster, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Adobe Express for LinkedIn graphics, open your web browser. Go to the Adobe Express website. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an Adobe account, select the option to create a new account. Fill in your details and follow the prompts to complete the account setup. Once logged in, navigate to the home page of Adobe Express. Look for the Pricing or Plans section, usually found in the menu. Click on it to view the available subscription options. Choose the plan that suits your needs best, keeping in mind the features for LinkedIn graphics. You'll then be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your payment details accurately. Review the terms and conditions, then agree to them. Once your subscription is active, you'll gain access to premium features. Return to the home page and start exploring templates for LinkedIn graphics. Choose a template that fits your brand style. Customize the template with your text, images, and colors. Save your designs and download them for your LinkedIn posts. With your subscription, you now have all the tools needed for stunning graphics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.